The surprising origins of Israel. The State of Israel, established in 1948, is a nation with a unique history and a prominent presence in the Middle East. Israel's history is deeply rooted in ancient times, with a rich cultural heritage and a connection to the land that goes back thousands of years. Following World War II and the Holocaust, the United Nations recognized Israel's right to exist as a sovereign nation. Since its establishment, Israel has been at the center of complex geopolitical conflicts, including the Israeli-Arab conflict. Israel has also gained global recognition for its achievements in various fields, including technology, agriculture, and innovation. With a diverse population and a dynamic economy, Israel continues to evolve and contribute to the world. The State of Israel stands as a symbol of resilience, innovation, and the pursuit of a brighter future. Thank you for watching.